Hi, my name is Mary Joseph. My topic name is Knowledge Acquisition, Learning Methods and Performance Measures. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn patterns from data and improve performance over time without explicit reprogramming. They are spam detection, face detection, recommendation systems, medical diagnosis. Spam detection: classify messages using labeled examples to filter unwanted mail. Face recognition: match facial features to identities using supervised models. Recommendation systems: predict user preferences from behavior and item data. Assist medical diagnosis: assist clinicians by detecting patterns in medical images. What is knowledge acquisition? Knowledge acquisition gathers, organizes, and stores information so systems can learn, reason, and make informed decisions. It is the foundation that field ML models with meaningful input. Human expert: domain knowledge, rules and labeled examples, documents, report manuals, and anointed corpora of for NLP tasks. Internet: large-scale device sets and real-time streams, databases, structured records, logos, and transactional data, sensors, time series measurements from the physical world, historical data, past record for trend analysis. Knowledge acquisition process. Knowledge acquisition process: identify sources, collect raw data, clean and structure information, store in a searchable knowledge base. Base data learning. Methods of learning and overview. ML methods differ by available data and learning objective. The four primary paradigms are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning learns mapping from input to labeled output. Unsupervised learning discovers structure in unlabeled data. Semi-supervised learning combines a small labeled set with large unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning agents learn policies via rewards and trial and error. Supervised learning models are trained on labeled examples. Input, correct output, useful for recognition and classification tasks where ground truth is known. Example: spam detection, house price prediction. Strength are precise target, strong performance with quality labels. Limitations are require large label dataset, annotation cost. Unsupervised learning models find hidden patterns or grouping in unlabeled data, ideal when labels are unavailable or the goal is exploratory analysis. Examples are customer segmentation, market basket analysis. Strength: discover novel structure, reduces annotation needs. Limitations are evaluation is harder, result need interruption. Semi-supervised learning combines a small labeled dataset with a larger unlabeled pool to improve model generalization while reducing labeling effort. Examples are medical image classification with limited annotated scans. Key ideas are propagate label information via structure in unlabeled data. When to use their labeling in inexpensive but unlabeled data is abundant. Reinforcement learnings are agent interact with an environment and learn policies by maximizing cumulative rewards through trial and error. Examples are robotics, autonomous driving, game playing. Strength are learns complex sequential behaviors. Limitations are sample inefficient, requires careful reward design. Thank you.